Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So today, as you can see down by in the title, I will be sharing with you the products that I use to keep my pores open and to also keep my face clean and free from bumps or pimples or acne. Yeah. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. Go ahead and rinse my face. So catch you in a minute. I normally just base my face with a soap. I lather the soap on my face, getting in the creases as you can see me doing. Above the eyelid. Try to get inside those brows, around the edges. Dear girl. You massage it in. I rinse the soap off, so now I'm going to just pat dry with a clean towel. Alright, so at this given moment, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using a clean wipe. Put it in some warm water and place it on my face, and this is going to open up my pores, right? So I'm not leaving it on my skin, I'm patting it in my skin, as you can see. So now I'm just going to allow it to air dry, okay? Or maybe fan it with my So I'm back. Alright, now at this very moment I'm going to get another wipes, and this wipes is I'm going to apply the alcohol, rubbing alcohol to the wipes to cleanse my skin once more. This is the alcohol that I'll be using, the Benjamin alcohol. The brand is Benjamin and it's the white. So I'm just going to pat it into my skin once more. Trust me, no matter how much you think your skin clean, may I tell you, I'm just wash my face. They can't believe it. I don't know if they can see, but now they can never show, but my face still dirty. So I'm just going to wipe until the excess dust or dirt come off my face. Okay, so this is the moisturizer that I use on my face. It's the African Formula cream. Also, too, when I'm in the mood, I apply this skin therapy oil on my face as well. The amount of cream that I'll be using on my face. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to combine the oil with the cream. Not using too much. Because as you know, too much oil is not good for the skin because the skin produces its own oil. So I'm just going to combine it and then I apply. I'm just going to continue to rub it into my skin until everything is evenly distributed. Okay, so this is just me on a regular day, no makeup, just wash face, apply moisturizer, and move on about my business. Now we've come to the end of this video. I do hope that this video was very informative. I do hope that I shed some light in which you can moisturize your face without it being costly. Now, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so whenever I post, you'll be first to be notified. Until next time, bye!